Don't miss out on these 5 huge opportunities that have just been unlocked from the February rate cut. Make sure to stick around to the end to get a very good tip. Opportunity number 1, getting out of mortgage prison. So over the last couple of years, we've been finding that people have been having a very hard time meeting serviceability requirements. Lenders also have datas on these mortgage holders, which limits any opportunities to seek a better deal from your own bank. Fortunately, obviously the RBA has cut rates, and this is going to put a lot of people in a position where you might actually be able to refinance now and meet those serviceability requirements that you otherwise couldn't have before. So with that in mind, this could be the perfect time for you to reach out to your mortgage broker and look at the possibility of refinancing now and save yourself thousands per year. So the second opportunity is having access to newfound equity. So with the rate cuts that have just been announced, you might find yourself in a position where you're now able to access additional equity than you otherwise could have been able to. So now could be the perfect time for you to cash out equity, renovations, even look to purchase a new car, anything you're looking to do, now could be the perfect time to do it. So another opportunity that's just been unlocked is being able to restructure for your next move. With better deals and new interest rates means enhanced borrowing capacity and having access to different strategies. One thing we can do is look to unlock some equity as cash deposits for your next property. This goes hand in hand with better serviceability and borrowing capacity. So this could be a perfect opportunity to look for your next home. You can also look to change terms to interest only to improve your cash flow. On top of this, you can even unlock equity for additional super contributions to potentially purchase an investment property in your super. A rate change as small as 0.25% can be the difference in being able to cash out up to 50K, and that's going to help you be able to get any of these things done. So this tip is a little bit more basic, but it's something that every homeowner can do. Having better savings. A 0.25% decrease to your rate likely means that your household will have access to additional savings of over $1,000 per year. Extra savings can do a few things for you. You can literally get your savings and put it straight back into your offset account to help you reduce the interest that you're charged on your home loan and pay off your loan quicker. So another thing you can do is actually change your repayment frequency to weekly or fortnightly. What this actually does is help you to reduce the interest that you're charged, and it helps you pay off your loan years quicker than you otherwise would be able to. So you can pay off your credit cards or other debts, or you could just double down on savings by reducing unneeded expenses. So this last tip is really important for anyone looking to purchase their next home or get into the property market. So the flow-on effect of a rate drop obviously means that all parties have access to a little bit more money. Over the COVID period, we saw that rate drops were the catalyst in property prices skyrocketing. So with this rate cut, and especially if more are to follow, we could actually see a mini property market boom. What's going to happen, the more we see rates drop, the higher the demand is going to be for property because everyone's borrowing power is going to increase. So with all of this in mind, it could actually be the perfect time for you to look at purchasing a property now. When we see interest rates decrease, this naturally causes borrowing power to increase. And during these times, this is where people really look to get into the property market or purchase their next property. It's more important now than ever to get into the property market before everyone else does and property prices drive up. Now more than ever, you're going to need the right help to maximize your wealth. We're always going to look at these opportunities through the lens of saving as much money as possible, and this means getting the market's best deal in the quickest amount of time. So feel free to get in touch with any of us by clicking the link below, or reach out to your mortgage broker who can assist. Thanks everyone for watching. Really appreciate you sticking all the way through. Please like, comment, and subscribe. It really does go a long way for us, and we'll see you in the next video.